Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll discuss about a very good company called Bajaj Finance Limited, which has given wonderful return over the last 10 12 years at least. Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited is the holding company for the whole Bajaj group, consisting of two major companies, Bajaj Auto, in which Bajaj Holdings has got 49.5% shareholding, and the other company is a financial service company, Bajaj Finserv, in which Bajaj Holdings has got 58.35% shareholding. So, Bajaj Holdings is the main company in which Bajaj Auto looks after automobile business, and Bajaj Finserv looks after financial services. Now, this Bajaj Finserv has got three subsidiaries. Bajaj Finance Limited, which is also a listed company, Bajaj Auto Limited listed, Bajaj Finserv listed, and Bajaj Finance also is listed. The two other companies, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Services, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Services, two companies are there. They look after insurance business. Now, Bajaj Finance looks after financial services, in which again there are two subsidiaries. Bajaj Home Finance is one, Bajaj Financial Services is another. Bajaj Home Finance looks after home finance, financial services looks after consumer loans, SME loans, mortgage loans, commercial lending, rural sector loans, term deposits, partnerships and services for life and general insurances, co-branded credit cards, wallet service, etc. So these are the various things that Bajaj Finance looks after. It's a 31-year-old company, non-banking finance company. Now it is present in 862 urban locations and 751 rural locations with over 75,000 plus distribution points. So it has got a very large customer franchise of 30.05 million. So that it can cross-sell, and it has cross-sold to 17.82 million. Now, in Q2 itself has booked 5.26 million loans. It is focusing on mass affluent and above clients so that it can cross-sell to them all its products. Its goal is to have a return on asset of 33% and an ROE of 18 to 20%. Now, if we look at it, the results, the net sales have increased to 4,045 crores. Year-on-year growth is 31% and quarter-on growth is 7%. Now, the net profit is 920 crores, up 65% year-on-year and 10% quarter-on-quarter. 65% year-on-year is quite impressive, and 10% quarter-on-quarter is also quite impressive, and that is how Bajaj Finance is progressing almost every quarter. Equity stands at 115.29 crores, and basic EPS stands at 15.97 on a face value of rupees 2. Quarterly EPS latest is 15.97 on face value of 2. It has been growing steadily every quarter. The volumes are quite good so that you can buy and sell at any time. There is no problem. You won't get stuck. Price earning is 39.19, which is normally supposed to be high, but for a company which is growing at the rate of Bajaj Finance, it is not high. So, if price earning stays at 39, over the next 4 quarters, you are likely to get what sort of increase, that let us see. Now, in the last 52 weeks, the high was 2,995, the low is 1,554, the growth is something like 42%. In 1 year, it has grown by 42%. So it's not bad. It's not a multi-bagger in 1 year, but it's a very good compounder. In 2 years, it is likely to grow around 100% or 90% around that. So the capital, it has got home finance also. Their capital adequacy is 30.75%. The assets under management is 10,712 crores. Post tax profit we are saying 920 crores, something like that. Gross NPA and net NPA are 1.49%, 0 and 0.53%. Gross is 1.49% and net is 0.53%. For a non-bank finance company, these are impressive ratios. The provisioning coverage ratio is 65%. So deposits have crossed 10,000 crores. Now, that is, now they stand at 10,651 crores. It has grown by 93% over the last 1 year. Now, assets under management, total assets under management for Bajaj Finance is 1,217 crores. That also has grown by 38%. Net interest income has grown by 42% year on year, and profit before tax has grown by 55%, etc. Now, the company is progressing very well. It is expanding its locations also. It wants to grow geographically 15 to 20% every year. So, which means the growth is assured for Bajaj Finance. You can depend on Bajaj Finance. Now, it is having credit card business also. It has made a tie-up with RBL Bank, and it's growing. The current what is in force is 6.63 lakh credit cards as on 30th September. It's well positioned to cross 1 million by the end of this financial year. So the franchisee strength also is quite good. Its own strength is wonderful. So it's growing at a reasonably good rate. Not a multi-bagger in 1 year, but a very good compounder in 1 year. So you can depend on it. Many high net worth individuals are investing in Bajaj Finance because it is immune to it, is not completely, but generally speaking, it is immune to market fluctuations. It has not fallen much in the current period also. Now, the present political climate is a little uncertain. As I said, whichever party comes into picture, if it is stable, it is okay. But the people of India are sometimes prone to choose unstable governments also, whether it is in states or at the center. Now, that of course is not wise, but that's how it happens. When 1.3 billion people vote, you can't say how it progresses. So different regions vote differently. So next time who will come with what majority they will come is uncertain. But you have the choice of choosing stable stocks, which will at least give some growth, good growth, like Bajaj Finance. Currently, its price is high, 2,400 odd, but people go for it because it is stable. Its growth is stable. Its metrics are stable. Thank you for listening. I will come back to you. I will be examining the political uncertainties also to some extent because they are likely. See, now in the last 4 years there were no political uncertainties. Now onwards, political uncertainties have started. Therefore, you need to take that also into account. So we will examine those things also to some extent, not much, but we will examine this, say like Rafale deal. Rafale deal is a clean deal, but some people are making it out to be some scam or something like that. Where there is no scam, people are trying to make it look like a scam. It's one of the best things that have happened to India, in my opinion. But how the people will be carried away by canard and rumors, that you can't say. Rumors grow stronger sometimes than truth. That's the problem in India. The media is like that. People are like that. People want rumors, baseless rumors especially. So you can't help it. But you have to care for your interest. You have to choose your interest. In all this milieu, as an investor, you will need to succeed. So that we will see. Therefore, we'll examine all those things also to some extent. Thank you for listening to me. I'll be back with you with another good company or another good topic on investments. Thank you.